everybody, it's me, aka Miss Foot Fixer. We have this very, very, very wonderful patient with a very, very stubborn verruca. So what we can see is there's little tiny dots here. We also can see irregular tissue, and it's quite thick, so I can feel it. You can't feel it, but I can feel it. So what I'm going to do is just scrape it back if she wants to see what's going on inside. It's very wart-like, irregular, crusty, and it's deep. So this patient has tried Swift and needling and sulfur nitrate. Query about marigold therapy, I said no, because it's like going backwards there. Yeah, that's it. And I think we're going to surgically remove it whenever she's free. But you can see it's irregular, still has lots of dots. I'm not going to debride it anymore because it just starts to bleed in a way, but it is very, very big. So usually when you see verrucas, sometimes when you debride it, it actually shows that it's bigger in nature because it's like a mountain, so it grows kind of up. But sometimes it can grow smaller inside. That's usually sometimes a corn, to be honest. But right now it was narrower here, scraped it back, and then it opened up. Excellent, fantastic.